Hindi Alphabets Part 1. Stay tuned till the end of this video to access the complete list. Soft and forceful sound letters. K sound in kite in Hindi is written as K. When you say this in a forceful way, it's Kh. Kh. Notice the difference with some Hindi word examples. K, kh. K, kaan, kaan. Kh, khana, khana. K, kabootar, kabootar. Kh, khargosh, khargosh. G sound in girl in Hindi is written as G. When you say this in a forceful way, it's Gh. Gh. Notice the difference. G, Gh. G, Gadi, Gadi. Gh, Ghadi, Ghadi. G, Gamla, Gamla. Gh, Ghar, Ghar. Ch sound in chair in Hindi is written as Ch. When you say this in a forceful way, it's Chha, Chha. Notice the difference. Ch, Chha. Ch, chana, chana. Ch, chana, chana. Ch, chammach, chammach. Ch, chhatri, chhatri. J sound in jug in Hindi is written as J. When you say this in a forceful way, it's Jha, Jha. Notice the difference. J, Jha. J, jana, jana. Jh, jhula, jhula. J, jal, jal. Jh, jhanda, jhanda. T sound in tomato in Hindi is written as T. When we say this in a forceful way, it's Tha, Tha. Notice the difference. T, Tha. T, tomato, tomato. Th, thanda, thanda. T, tootna, tootna. Th, theek, theek. D sound in diamond in Hindi is written as D. When we say this in a forceful way, it's dha, dha. Notice the difference. D, dha. D, dali, dali. Dh, dhal, dhal. D, damru, damru. Dh, dhakkan, dhakkan. Th sound in thunder is written as Th. When we say this in a softer way, it is Th, Th. Notice the difference. Th, Tha. Th, tum, tum. Tha, thum, thum. Th, tel, tel. Th, thali, thali. The sound in this in Hindi is written as the. When you say this in a forceful way, it's dha, dha. Notice the difference? The, dha. Before moving on, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The, dan, dan. Dha, dhan, dhan. The, dal, dal. Dha, dheere, dheere. P sound in pen in Hindi is written as P. When you say this in a forceful way, it's Pha, Pha. Notice the difference. P, Pha. P, pal, pal. Pha, phal, phal. P, paid, paid. Pha, phool, phool. B sound in boy in Hindi is written as B. When you say this in a forceful way, it's bha, bha. Notice the difference. B, bha. B, bus, bus. Bha, bhumi, bhumi. B, bar, bar. Bha, bhar, bhar. We have reached the end of this video. This is the complete list of the letters learnt. Kite, k, kh. Girl, g, gh. Chair, ch, chh. Jug, j, jh. Tomato, t, th. Diamond, d, dh. Thunder, th, th. This, the, dha. Pen, p, pha. Boy, b, bha. To get updates on the part 2 of this video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you.